Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys a couple ways to make your PC run faster. What you want to do first is you're going to want to go into the command prompt, run as administrator. Make sure you run this command. It's going to be dism online cleanup image restore health. I'm going to leave that in the description, so you can just copy paste, or you can just search this up in Google, but you just copy this and then click enter. After that, it's going to take some time, and it's going to scan your computer and clean up old files, update things. Alright, once it's done, I like to run these commands back to back, just because this one you're about to run is called fc slash Scannow. This will fix and repair corrupt files, so let this run. I like to run both of these, and usually if I'm having issues with my computer, they get resolved. As once it's done loading, this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna say it found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. To view the file logs, you go here. So yeah, after these are done, I like to go into Windows, check for updates, and then as you can see, I'm missing some updates. Make sure you guys always update your computer. This will make things run a lot smoother and faster. So yeah, run these, install them. I hope this video helped you guys out with your computers. I'd like to get straight into the tutorials and not talk too much. Hope you guys enjoy this. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.